abdominal crunch is a classic bodyweight exercise for the abs, and to perform it, all you need to do is bring yourself to the floor, knees up, and then you're going to make sure that your chin is tucked, your neck is flat, neutral spine, and that you've got a space about 1 inch from your chin to your chest. That's going to maintain throughout the movement. From here, you're going to bring your shoulders and your chest off the floor without reaching your neck forwards, just using your abdominal muscles to create that spinal flexion, engage the abs, and then come back down, touch, and bring yourself back up. Little pause at the top, crunch, hold, back down. You can slide your hands along your knees if you like to just get a sense of movement, to see where the range is. Reach above the knees, come back down, keeping a nice controlled movement, and keep going for the recommended duration, sets and reps. Good place to start would be 10+ repetitions.